everyone, I wanted to show you guys a couple things that I've been working on for the new year. I've been kind of organizing. I do my spring cleaning during the new year. One of the things that I really need is like organizing boxes that goes into the drawers. But usually when you find these boxes in the stores, they're, in all different sizes, and they're usually hard to find the exact size that I like. So I was like, why don't I just make them out of paper? They're really cute because they actually don't have little seams that you see, so they're pretty sturdy, and it looks very clean and very easy and affordable. So hope you guys have a good new year, and if you guys are sorting through anything, you guys could try making these boxes at home.